I'm living in Westwood this year, Compton. And one thing I really like about Westwood itself is the room is massive compared to a lot of other accommodation for like the price we are paying, like £99 a week. Is really decent size, and at the same time it's really quiet, so it's really conducive for studying if you really like studying in your room. And then another thing is when you go out for like night out with your friends and stuff, when you go back, and then sometimes you might be like, they get like after party and stuff, you get like really noisy with like other accommodation around. But for Westwood it's a little bit different because like we are like a little community by ourselves, so that like most of the time after a night out we come back and then I will be sleeping right away, and then so we'll be quite quiet and conducive for ourselves. So yeah, this is why I like Westwood quite a lot. One thing I don't like about Westwood itself is sometimes it may be a little bit far from central campus, because yeah, it's like really the other side of the whole campus itself. So if you are thinking of walking to central campus, it will take you like 20 minutes, and then to a sports stadium, which is like the main area that like we play basketball and all the other sports like climbing, swimming, and there's a student gym. It takes you like around 15 minutes. So this is one thing like sometimes you're quite a hassle if you're like in a rush or like the weather is really cold. So but other than that, it's quite decent for myself, the walking distance to school. Where did I get my groceries? Okay, I do a lot of grocery shopping, so the best and the cheapest way to get a grocery is from Tesco. And then just nice, Westwood is the nearest to Tesco compared to other accommodation, except for like Torsel or Claycoff, which is like for the postgrad. And yeah, it's like 5 to 10 minutes walk away from Tesco. And then you get Iceland, you get Tesco, you got Aldi, you got like, yes, so many major markets that you can go and buy a grocery from. And then it will be quite a pain if you are quite far away from all these places, and then like you have to carry a lot of things when you go for like a one-time shop, and like you have a lucky bag. But for Westwood itself, it's just like a 5-10 minutes walk, so it will be less painful. How long I take to go to school every day, because I'm studying engineering degree, so my faculty will be around the engineering block and the math and statistics block, which is around like 10 minutes from here if I walk, like at a really steady pace, not like sprinting on that whatever. But if you are from like a different faculty, such as like maybe biomed, medicine, anywhere that is like near the central campus or like Gibbet Hill, I wouldn't suggest that you should stay here, because it's going to be quite a pain, because you need to walk like 30 minutes, 20 minutes. Yeah, so yeah, other than that, the walking distance is actually quite okay. Where do I do my laundry? For Westwood itself, like all the blocks, they have their own laundry area within their same block, so you don't have to like go out of the way to go to do your laundry, because it's just like directly down wherever you're staying. And yeah, every block will have like one washing machine and one dryer, and everyone is sharing it, but it's not like really packed, like every time you want to wash there's someone washing. Actually it's okay, it's not like yeah, you don't have to fight to wash your clothes. How do I like my kitchen? The kitchen in Westwood itself is really big, spacious, and there's 2 ovens, and then there's like 2 sets of stove, which is like 4 cooking like pot that you can use. So it's actually very decent and very nice to cook. Like in Westwood itself, I literally like cook every single meal every day. I don't eat out. So yeah, near to Tesco, nice kitchen. What more can you ask for? Where's my bathroom and how is my bathroom? In Westwood itself, because we're not en suite, so everyone will have like a shared bathroom with the whole level. So every level will have 1 bathroom with 3 showers and 4 toilets that you can use. and I never ever find myself have to queue for the toilet, because like everyone have like different timing like of showering, and sometimes they don't shower. I don't know, but yeah. So the bathroom itself, you don't have to queue for it. And as for the cleanliness, it's actually quite clean, because like there's domestic helper cleaning up every single day, because you are paying for it for like every week. You pay like a certain amount. Let's say I'm paying £99, and then there's a flat rate, and then they will do like the rest of the maintenance work and whichever that's needed. So you don't have to worry about the cleanliness part too, because it's actually really clean. I find it myself. And the size of the bathroom for me is a little bit small, I think, but yeah, you get through it and then you get used to it. Other than that, the bathroom is pretty nice. And for a bedroom, so there's another additional sink that you can use, so like you don't have to go all the way out to the toilet, like bathroom, to brush your teeth or just to wash your hand or like wash your face. So there's a sink in your room, and it's very convenient, and I use it, yeah, very